Okay. What do you think of those peas? Are they yummy? Hi. Uh-huh. Peas. Yum, yum, yum. Get them all. Get them all. Mm-hmm. Oh, really? Do you want a fork? Fork? I'm going to try and get it. Mm-hmm. Here, how about I try? There. Now you got fork. With peas. Very good. You have to learn how to do this yourself. It's really hard to get them with peas, though. Mm-hmm. There's only 3. It fell off. Oh, look at that. Did you get it? Think so? You can put it on there? Uh-oh. You got it. Uh-huh. Those are tricky. Hey, there's one on your hand. Ah, very good. You got it.